Welcome to the first video on entrepreneurship. In this video, we are going to talk about syllabus and course objectives of the subject. This course has been offered to the students of BTech 6th semester of Vinod Bhava University, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So let us start. What are the course objectives? First one is to have understanding of the dynamic role of entrepreneurship and small business. Second talks about to know about organizing and managing a business. You are going to see about the management part of the business and how people are organized, how posts are created, all those things. Third objective is to know about financial planning and control, very much required for entrepreneurship. And fourth one, to know about business plan creation. If you have an idea how to create the business plan. Last one, to know about forms of ownership for small businesses. So these are the major course objectives for this subject. Now different modules are there. The first module talks about introduction. In this we are going to see about an overview of entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship. Definition, how to define these terms. Concept of entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. Characteristics and skills of entrepreneurs. Module 2 talks about entrepreneurial development. In this we are going to see about entrepreneurship and economic development, contribution of small and big enterprises to the economy, how they are going to contribute in the economy, entrepreneurial environment, types of entrepreneurs. Module 3 is the module talking about developing the business plan. So what are the content? The first one is the identification of business idea, right from ideation till the commercialization. All those things are needed to be planned. So this module talks about that. Elements of a business plan. What are the elements? Building competitive advantage, how to compete in the market, conducting feasibility analysis, whether our idea of certain business is going to be feasible or not, strategy and planning for starting your small business, developing marketing strategies, and managing the human resources, the most important thing for any business. If you have an idea, you have created the business plan, then you must have fund to start the business. So module 4 talks about sources of finance, equity versus debt capital, sources of equity finance, institutional finance, how banking and other institutions are going to finance your business, venture capital, lease finance, obtaining the right financing. So these are going to be talked about in this module. Module 5 is forms of business ownership. So what are the forms of business ownership? Becoming an owner, sole proprietorship or partnership, or corporations and other forms of ownership are going to be talked about. Module 6 is talking about intellectual property management. Importance of innovation, patents and trademarks in small businesses, how these are important for any business. Introduction to laws relating to intellectual property right in India. And module 7 is institutional support for small businesses in India. So what are the support provided? So support in the areas of technology, finance, inputs and infrastructure, marketing, entrepreneurship development. So this module talks about it. So in total we are having 7 modules in which we are going to see all the things that will meet our course outcome. What are the reference books, textbooks? So TMH and Entrepreneurship, Isrich and Peters, Roy Rajiv, Entrepreneurship, Oxford University Press, Essentials of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management, 6th edition, Scarborough, and Datta Volanath for Entrepreneurship Management. So these are the suggested books, and in the coming videos and lectures we are going to follow these books. Thank you for watching.